Channel. My name is Thompson, and today I am making a video to show you how you can convert your USDT to BNB. Now I'm making this video because some persons in my Telegram group have been asking me how to do this transaction easily without going through the other difficult parts of trying to convert your USDT to BNB. So that's the reason why I'm making this video. So I want you to pay attention to this video. It's going to be very short, but I'm going to be very precise. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this thing easily without you spending any fee, any transaction fee. Okay, so let's get started. Now for you to convert your USDT to BNB, you come down to this particular you can see this icon here where it says more. Look at you can see this finger pointing at more. You click on that more. Then when you click on that more, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now when you're on this interface, you look for this convert. You can see this convert here. Okay, then you click on it. Now when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this particular interface. Okay, so on this particular interface, what we are going to do is this. You have the option of clicking max here. Now I have just 50 USDT. I'm using this for the purpose of this particular tutorial. So I have $50 there. So that is when I click on max, the whole $50 is going to show. But let's assume I want to do just $30. Okay, I'm just going to click here. I'm just going to click the amount that I want to convert from USDT to BNB. So let me just type 30. Okay, you can see that 30 has appeared there. Then I'm going to come down here where it says BTC. This BTC now we are going to change it to BNB. So we are going to come down here, then we are going to click on BNB. You can see we have BTC, Ethereum, BNB, BUSD, but we are going to click on BNB because that is what we want to convert our USDT to. Then we'll come down here and we'll click on confirm. So after you click on confirm, now you can see that it's showing you that you are going to convert, you're about to convert from USDT, 30 USDT to BNB. Now, the reason why I prefer this particular method is because the transaction fee is just like 1 cent or 2 cents. But when you use the other method of buying and selling, that one is going to charge you a whole lot. And this one is very, very simple compared to the other popular method. So a whole lot of people don't really know about this, but I'm glad you are here today to learn this particular method. So the next thing you're going to do is this. You're going to come down. You're going to come down to this here. You can see preview conversion. Okay, then you click on preview conversion. Then after clicking on preview conversion, it's going to show you the amount of BNB you'll be getting. Okay, so for that 30 USD you'll be getting 0.05065694 BNB, and this is equivalent to that 30 USDT that we are converting. Okay, so the next thing we'll do now is to click on this convert. Okay, let's click on convert. So you see it says conversion successful. So invariably we've converted our 30 USDT to 0.05069143 BNB. Okay, which is still 30 equivalent to 30 USDT. Okay, so that is it. If you want to see, you can still click on this history. When you click on history, it's going to show you the conversion. As you can see, 30 USDT is telling you that it's completed. Okay, now let's go home so that we'll see where we have our BNB. Okay, so you come down here now, okay, to spots. This is the spot. You click on this spot. So you see that for that conversion you were charged just only 2 cents. You can see this is 29.98 dollar equivalent to this BNB, which is 0.050694143. Just 2 cents, 2 cents, which is very minute. Like, it's like you're not paying anything. But you doing conversion through this. Let me show you this other one. You do conversion through this method here, you'll be charged more than 2 cents. If you are doing conversion here, like you want to convert your USDT to BNB here, and you use this method, which is the popular method everybody is using, you'll be charged more than 2 cents here. Okay, so that's the major reason why I prefer using this other method that we just used. Okay, so that is what I decided to show you today, the easiest way of converting your USDT to BNB. I believe you got value from this video, and I want you to support my channel by subscribing to the channel, okay, like the video, and also remember to click that notification button so that when next I post another valuable video like this, you'll be the first to get to see it. Okay, I really appreciate your time for watching this video. Take care of yourself, and bye bye.